Let's take a look in a little bit more detail about the Honda e-clutch system. Now let's imagine that you've been riding a motorcycle, a traditional motorcycle, for many years. The pulling away process is really simple, isn't it? You pull in the clutch, you engage first gear, you gradually let it out, and you're off. If you don't want to have that fatigue associated with constant clutch operation, this is the perfect machine for you. So we have a traditional gearbox. We are still in control of shifting the gear, making sure we want to be in first, second, third, etc. What the bike is going to do for us is meaning we don't actually need to use the clutch at all. And this will be a little bit different the first time you take a test ride on one of these bikes. You'll power it on, fire it up, you'll see a little green indicator on the right hand side, just indicating that you've got the automated clutch active, little A on the right hand side of the screen, and you can just simply pop it into first gear without pulling the clutch in. It will feel strange the first time you do it, but then it's so easy. You want second gear, you don't have to move your throttle position, just pop it up into second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. And even back down the gearbox, you're in total control, so you can use low throttle opening, mid or high. It'll give you an incredibly smooth shift. It's amazing. You never ever need to use the clutch. But if you want to, you can. If you want to do a complete ride where you're in control of the clutch, you can go into the meters, turn it off for that riding cycle, and you'll always be using the clutch like on a traditional machine. Also in the settings, next to that feature where you turn it off for that one riding cycle, you can actually change the feel of the shift. So you've got hard, medium and soft for the upshift and the downshift. Now, because that's a rider preference, they'll actually be set now. So if you wanted it in the soft on the upshift, but you wanted it on the hard on the downshift, store those in, and then that is set for you. Every time you go out, it's in that position. Absolutely perfect for you. Now that is the Honda e-clutch, so if you'd like to try this for yourself, please contact your local dealer and arrange a test ride.